good, strong defenseman with 11 hits in the playoffs.
Aaron Ward on the ice for the Bruins, number 44. It was feared he suffered a broken orbital bone from that punch from Walker. That was not the case. No broken bones. Clear the play. Not wearing a shield. And they score!
Hey, maybe it was simultaneous. We're going to slow it down even more. There. Oh, man. That's...
Well, let's see. We're going to have a verdict announced by Sutherland.
Upon video review, the call on the ice stands. Good goal.
Yeah.
It's trying to move in front. His backhand try was blocked. Taken by Krejci. Ryder with it. Back to Krejci. The one-touch. Stepping in. Montador scores. He fires it home, and Boston has a 2-0 lead. Leeson steps on Big Lucic. His pass is deflected by Whitney, and the play turned around as this line having an effect here for Carolina. Whitney dealing it. Stahl is stopped by Thomas, and the rebound is blocked. Corvo has it to the point. Hurricanes looking to mount an attack here. Jokinen leading it. Samsonov shooting, and it's a rebound. Thomas is stopped on Jokinen.
Got the glove on it, barely.
So they try to go to work here and get something on the board early in the second period. They come up with a puck. Whitney to Stahl shooting. Saved by Thomas. Rebound. Comes back to Thomas. He'll hang on.
That's a great save.
Walker feeds Seidenberg to the point. It's played quickly back to Walker off his skate boot. Ryder in some trouble. Cullen on him. Much sharper start to this period for Carolina. A poke check by Thomas. They score! Matt Cullen stayed with it. Wideman. Challenge there by Samsonov. Savard trying to work it free. Unable to step in front. Lucic fights off a couple of checks. He's still got it. Sends it across. They score! And the goal is fired home by Mark Savard on a great setup by Milan Lucic.
Come across, and everybody's now focused on him. Seidenberg, it locks on him. Visually locks on Milan Lucic, expecting him to shoot like he's done a few times in the series before. Lucic puts it over to Mark Savard, who just slaps it in.
Boston trying to end a 2-for-29 slump with a man advantage. As Wideman had the puck hop over his stick. Here comes Cullen. He has one short-handed goal this year on the playoffs, and he's stopped by Thomas on the breakaway here.
Quietly, Montador really had an excellent game for the Bruins in this one.
From the angle, it angles off the board, and it's driven off the post by Wideman and played to center.
He's strong. He's so strong on his skates.
And here he comes. He fires, and it's tipped by Corvo over the net. Bergeron has it back for Boston. Let's go, Bob! They score! And it's Kovacic who pops it in with just under 2 minutes to go.
Bergeron, who's going to pick it up, is going to throw it to the front, and it's hard to tell even from that angle if it goes off the skate of Leeson. No, the stick of Kovacic. What a pass.
Bruins prevailing there, 4-2. Corvo winding and firing, and it's blocked out in front as Samsonov was paired off. Here's a shot, a save by Thomas. They score! Well, they go to the man advantage now at Corvo with the shot. Stopped by Thomas, rebound in front, and it's sent over the net and out of play with Stahl in and around that net.
They know what they've gotten him, and they love having it. Mark Recchi said one of the best two-way centers I've ever played with.
Doug Walker centers in front. Cullen is robbed by Thomas. He covers the puck. And the Bruins win on the road for the first time in this series, 4-2. A couple of big questions answered by Boston. Whether they can keep the momentum going. Now the questions are, can the Hurricanes respond in an upcoming 7th game and regain momentum? And can Mark Savard return for the Boston Bruins? We go to a 7th game Thursday night.